The only fish we're gonna have is the pictures we have in the past. It is destroying mile by mile all of South Louisiana. It is an absolute disgrace that we have to keep going out there and seeing absolutely nothing done.
Ball in the middle.
Is it possible, we were talking to the Attorney General yesterday, is it possible for the state to, or LGEQ to start fining BP for the oil that hasn't been cleaned up per day, per barrel? And that could be a way to get the money. Have you looked at that? Have you talked to Buddy Caldwell about starting to pop BP with fines from the state? You know, up in Alaska, they were able to fine Exxon quite a bit of money.
We'll certainly work with the Attorney General, make sure we're pursuing every option available to us. LDEQ will participate in something called an NRDA, which is a resources assessment, and we will make BP pay for the damage being done to our wetlands, to our environment, to this oil that's not here. Just 2 days ago, we'll get it to you from the JIC. DEQ issued them some formal, in writing, put them on notice in terms of the damage they're doing to our environment. And that's one of the first steps in that process. But let's be clear about here. We are absolutely confident we will get money from BP. Money cannot replace the wetlands that are being damaged, that are in some cases being destroyed out there by this oil. And that's why we feel so passionately, so strongly about building the sand booms and sand berms to fight this oil off our coast. Paul, you're exactly right. We know that we're entitled, the law is very clear, and DEQ is going to be able to, along with the Department of Wildlife and Fisheries and the Department of Natural Resources, they're what are called the trustee agencies. And under state and federal law, they act as trustees for all of us Louisianians for these natural resources that have been damaged and destroyed. We have no doubt at some point under state and federal law we'll get money from these fish. This isn't just about money. You can't compensate the people who are worried about losing their way of life. What they're worried about is they have fished in these areas for decades. They want their children and grandchildren to fish in these areas. And that's why we want BP to stop delaying. They can hire an army to run. If they want, they can tie us up and they can delay this as long as they want. That's not right for our people. That's not right for our weather. What we're telling them right now today is do one of two things. Do one of two things. Either go and sign the contracts and move that dredge yourself, or if you're not going to do it, move out the way and let us do it. Those are the only two options. And before midnight, we want to see that dredge mobilized and working. Absolutely, they're going to have to pay significant fines and significant dollars to the state to help pay to mitigate some damage. But nobody should think we can put a price tag on these oils. Our first line of defense against tidal surge and hurricane. One study says every couple of miles of healthy wetland reduces tidal surge by a foot. But what's even more important to us is that 30% of the nation's fisheries are down here off of our coast. We know that what we're witnessing could be irreversible damage if we don't start to act much more quickly. There isn't a greater sense of urgency. So what we're saying to BP is do the right thing. Stop sending us an army of attorneys. Do the right thing. Either go ahead and sign the contracts and move the dredge yourself, or if we don't want to do it, just move out of the way, give us a check, and we'll do it. Either way, let us move before midnight that first dredge, and we're asking the federal government, don't ask BP to do this. Under OPA, the Coast Guard doesn't have to ask them to just make them tell them to do it. The Coast Guard, our federal government should be able to hold them accountable and make them responsible.
And so with the lawyers, I just want to be clear that you said it was absolutely no, at all.